कोविड महामारीक लागून गोंय शिक्षण मंडळाक 10वेच्यो परीक्षा घेवपाक अडचणी आयिल्ल्यो. देखून शिक्षण मंडळाक अंदू परीक्षा घेवपाक उशीर जाल्लो. निकालूय जाहीर करपाक उशीर जाला. गोंय शिक्षण मंडळान मार्चांत घेतिल्ल्या 10वेच्या परीक्षेचो निकाल मंगळारा दीस जाहीर केला. वट्ट 19,939 विद्यार्थी 10वेच्या परीक्षेक बशिल्ले. तातूंतले वट्ट 17,554 विद्यार्थी पास जाल्यात. अंदूचो 10वेचो निकाल वट्ट 92.69% लागला. सुमार 9,319 चले परीक्षेक बशिल्ले. तातूंतले 8,581 जाण पास जाल्ल्यान 92.8% जाल्यार 9,620 चलयो परीक्षेक बशिल्ली. तातूंतली 8,973 पास जाल्ल्यान चलयांचो 93.27% पास जाल्यात. 35 सरकारी जाल्यार 83 अनुदानीत विद्यालयांतले सगळे विद्यार्थी पास जाल्ल्यान त्या विद्यालयांक 100% निकाल घेवपाक येस आयला. अशी माहिती गोंय शिक्षण मंडळाचो अध्यक्ष रामकृष्ण सामंतान मंडळाच्या वांगड्या सयत घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत म्हायती दिल्या.
Across 29 centers all over Goa, there were 173 sub-centers, of which 4 sub-centers were in Maharashtra and 2 sub-centers were in Karnataka. So they were specially established. As you all know, there were reports in the newspaper also to cater to the needs of the stranded students at the border of Karnataka and Maharashtra. Now SSC result for last 5 years, you can see the slides on the screens. So during 2015 it was 85.15%. Then 2016 it was 90.93%. 2017 it was 91.57%. 2018 it was 91.27%. 2019 it was 92.47%. So right from 2015, that is 85.15, to 2019, that is 92.47. Okay, now this year result is like this. The total number of students appeared 18,939, passed 17,554, and the pass percentage is 92.69%. So it is slightly higher than the last year. Then the result, gender-wise result: boys 9,319. I mean the number of the boy student appeared, and passed 8,581, and this pass percentage of the boy student comes to 92.08. Girls 9,620 appeared, passed 8,973, and this pass percentage comes to 93.27. So in this examination also, the girl student, they are showing their upper hand on boy student. Even the higher secondary school examination, the more number of girls passed, so that percentage was more. Then total 18,939, passed 17,554, and the overall result is 92.69. Then the percentage range, I mean, in which the students have passed: 75 to 100%, 21.08% student passed in this range. 60 to 74, it is 33.51%. In the range of 45 to 59, it was 35.79%, and the last range, that is 33.44, is 8.82%. Then the center-wise pass percentage, you can see. So the Mangeshi Center enrollment, that is, was 258, recorded highest pass percentage, that is 98.6%. Kepe Center with enrollment of 441 recorded lowest pass percentage of 86.85. The Naveli Center recorded highest enrollment, that is 1522 students appeared through this center with pass percentage of 94.28%. And Poingin Center, Kankon, recorded lowest enrollment, that is only 230 students appeared through this center with pass percentage of 96.96. Then statistics showing 100% result taluka wise. Okay, Bardes, 8 aided schools got 100% result. Government school 1. I think last year there were 2 schools who secured 100% result, government school. So now this year only 1 school has secured 100% result. So total 9. So Bardes Taluka 9 schools have achieved 100% result. Then Bicholim, 4 aided school. Last time 5 aided schools secured 100% result. Now this time it is 4. Government schools 7 secured 100% result. So plus 3 it is showing. That means 3 more schools have managed to get the 100% result this time. Government schools. So total 11 schools secured 100% result in Bicholim Taluka. Then Kankon, 1 school managed to get 100% result. Last time 4 schools managed, so minus 3, 1. Then the government schools, 3 schools. Last time they were 5, so now minus 2. And total 4 schools from Kankon Taluka managed to get 100% result. Darbanoda, aided 4 schools managed to get 100% result. 1 government school managed to get 100% result. So total 5 students secured 100% result. Kepe, there is no aided school with 100% result, but 1 government school managed to get 100% result. So, 4 government schools managed to get 100% result in Kepe Taluka. So the total 4. Then Marmugoa, 11 aided schools managed to get 100% result. So this time the tally increased. So it is plus 7. But no government school managed to get 100% result in Marmugoa Taluka. So total 11. Patna, 11 aided school managed to get 100% result. Government, 5 government schools managed to get 100% result. So plus 3. Last time only 2 schools managed. So total 16. 16 schools from Patna Taluka managed to get 100% result this year. Fonda, 14 schools managed to get 100% result. So plus 4. Then 2 government schools managed to get 100% result. So total 16 schools in Fonda Taluka secured 100% result. Salsait, 17 schools got 100% result. So plus 3 compared to last year. No government school achieved 100% result. So total 17, all aided schools. Sangay, there is no aided school which managed to get 100% result. So last time 2 schools managed, but this time no school managed to get 100% result. 4 government school managed to get 100% result. So last time 3 government school managed to get 100% result. So total 4. Sattari, 1 aided school managed to get 100% result, and 6 government schools managed to get 100% result. Total 7. And Tiswadi, 12 schools managed to get 100% result. So there is addition of 4 schools this year. 2 government schools managed to get 100% result, and total 14. So total 83 aided schools secured 100% result, and 35 government schools managed to get 100% result. So government schools, I think there are total 70 government schools, but out of these 70, 35 schools, so then they managed to get the 100% result. So they have performed quite well. So more than some 76%, yeah, more than 50%, yeah. So the total 118 schools they secured 100% result. 118. Okay.